This is a 4-pawns puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Sherzod Khaydarbekov from Uzbekistan and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to capture all 4 black pawns with a white knight using just standard chess moves. That means that chess pieces can move the same as in regular chess, but the board is much smaller. There's only one empty spot, and that means that you have to do a series of steps in order to put the black knight to the front line, and only then you will be able to capture the black pawns. You can't capture the pawns with other chess pieces since they can't go over obstacles. Like in chess, only the knight can go over other chess pieces over obstacles, and this piece is an obstacle that only knight can go over. So you have to do a lot of steps to plan your attack on the pawns before you can do that. So most of the puzzle will be moving the white knight to the front line, and then it will be much easier to capture all 4 pawns. If you like the 4-pawns puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the 4-pawns puzzle. The first move will be with the pawn. You move it down, then you grab this bishop and put it right here. The next step will be to move this rook up, and then this bishop goes down and this rook goes to the front line. Then we move this pawn one step to the front, and now we can move the knight right here. The next step will be to move the rook one step down and then move this bishop one step to the right. Now this bishop goes right in here and this rook goes to the right. Here you can already put the knight to the front line, and you can capture one of the pawns. Then you go back and you can capture another pawn. The next step will be to move the bishop right here. Then this bishop goes right in here, and this bishop goes here. Then you move this rook down here, and this bishop goes to this spot. Now you can move this rook all the way to the right. This bishop goes one step to the front, and this bishop goes one step here. Now you move the knight to this spot and then to this one. This bishop goes here. You move the knight right here, and the next steps are quite simple. This bishop goes here, this goes here. You put the knight to this spot, and now you can attack both pawns, and the puzzle is solved. And that was the solution of the 4-pawns puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles from the chess puzzle series, go to puzzlemaster.ca.